Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can have multi-monitor workspace on Windows 11. So if you want to do split screen on your Windows so you can boost your productivity and open more than 2 or 3 windows at once, this is how you can do it. First, here I already on my browser and I want to open the new or the other apps that I'm currently using. So you can just head to this options right here. This one is minimize and close, and this one you can adjust see the Windows options in here. So there are few options that you can select it. Here there are 2 split screens like this, and 3 and 4 in the maximum. So you can just choose which one. For example, I'm going to split the screen into 3 side by side vertically. So you can just choose this browser, which position that you want to. For example, I'm going to make it in the center and it will be go like this. Here you can choose the second window, this one right here. Okay, so unfortunately CapCut needs to be on a full screen, so let's try the other apps. Okay, so I've already opened Spotify. Let's try again. Okay, so I'm going to choose the middle one in here and the other window. Here I'm going to go with the Windows Explorer. Let's just click on again this Windows and choose, okay, this one's right here. So there are 3 windows here side by side. You can just adjust the size and the position, which one at the top, just by clicking on the apps here. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.